What I wish I knew when I first learned Excel. It could be my ticket to making extra money. Here's how you can do it too. First up, offer data entry services. Small businesses are always looking for help organizing their info. Next, try accounting organization. Many businesses need assistance managing their finances. If you've got a knack for creating templates, sell those too. Think invoices, budgets, and inventory sheets. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr and FlexJobs are gold mines for Excel gigs. You can set your own rates and choose projects that fit your schedule. Finally, consider offering customer data management services. That's several ways to transform your Excel skills into extra cash. Ready to get started? Let's go make that money.